Today we're going to show you how easy it is to assemble the EX2000-B Coin-Op. First, take everything out of the box, and then you'll want to look for a Ziploc bag that contains the product manual. Inside, you'll find a separate bag of keys for your Coin-Op. To get inside the Coin-Op, you'll need the square-shaped key. Unlock it from the side to get access to the internals. Grab the rounded key and unlock the cash box at the bottom. Inside, you'll find the power supply and the stand mounting bolts. Grab the Coin-Op and carefully align it onto the stand so that the 4 holes on the bottom fit the mounting posts on the stand. Then take your stand mounting bolts and screw them on. You can tighten them with the provided tool. Go ahead and set your newly assembled Coin-Op next to your MFP. In the back, clip and unroll the machine harness and power harness that are tucked inside the Coin-Op. To keep everything organized, run the cables through the slot in the bottom and out from under the notch in the stand. Make sure the cables sit inside the notch so that the Coin-Op sits level on the floor. Connect the machine harness to the harness installed on the MFP, and then connect the power harness to the power supply, which you should then plug into the wall. At this point, your Coin-Op will power up. Lock the back door, and there you have it. Your Coin-Op is set up and ready to go.